What if waking up 1 hour earlier could completely change your life? That sounds too simple, maybe even impossible. But Hal Elrod says it's true, and he has a method to prove it. What if waking up 1 hour earlier could completely change your life? That sounds too simple, maybe even impossible. But Hal Elrod says it's true, and he has a method to prove it. This is the Miracle Morning. Hal Elrod had everything taken from him. In 1999, a drunk driver hit his car at 70 miles per hour. His heart stopped for 6 minutes. Doctors said he would never walk again. But Hal walked again. And more than that, he went on to run ultra marathons. How? He built a morning routine that changed his mind, body, and life. And he wrote a book about it, The Miracle Morning. The big idea is simple. How you start your morning controls how you live your day. Most people wake up, check their phone, feel stressed, and rush to work. They react to life instead of creating it. Hal says, stop reacting, start creating, and the best time to do that is in the morning, before the world gets loud. Hal created 6 morning habits. He calls them the savers. S is for silence. Start with just 5 minutes of quiet. Sit still, breathe, meditate. Your brain is calm in the morning. Use that. A is for affirmations. Say positive words to yourself. Things like, I am growing every day. Words shape thoughts. Thoughts shape actions. V is for visualization. Close your eyes. Picture the life you want. See yourself reaching your goals. Your brain starts to believe what it sees. E is for exercise. Move your body, even 10 minutes. It wakes up your brain and gives you energy for the whole day. R is for reading. Read 10 pages of a good book every morning. That is 3,600 pages a year. That is real learning. S is for scribing. Write in a journal. Write your thoughts, your goals, your feelings. Writing helps you think clearly. Do all 6 every morning. That's the savers system. Hal says you don't need to be a morning person. You just need a reason to get up. And when you have a morning routine that excites you, you will want to get up. Here's what most people miss. The first hour of your day sets the tone for everything that follows. If you spend that hour rushing and stressing, your whole day feels chaotic. But if you spend it in silence, growth, and intention, your whole day changes. This book is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming better, one morning at a time. Start small. Try just 20 minutes tomorrow morning. Sit in silence, read 5 pages, write 3 lines in a journal. See how you feel. Hal Elrod's message is this: you already have everything you need to change your life. You just need to wake up a little earlier to find it. This was The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. If this summary helped you, consider reading the full book or listening to the full audiobook. Link is in the description below. See you in the next summary.